Oh wait, I forgot you can't turn it sideways.
I'm trying to tell you.
Come back here.
No.
Get on the horse. God.
This is horrible.
Fail.
Really? Really now? This is it?
You said.
Not fair.
Okay. I ate your hair. It was like stuck in my mouth.
Stop it!
Fucking stupid. Did you really just headbutt my camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is totally not even picking up your face.
What is it looking at my neck?
No, it's like, it shows everything darker. So like when it's close up like that, nothing.
That hurt my throat. That whole...
Mine? I'm pulling you around by your throat.
My throat fat! I got my mustache. You want to touch that?
Free mustache rides.
You ever wonder if Spider-Man was like a girl?
No. Can we stop now?
Yep.
This is stupid.
This is weird. He just grabbed my throat fat
And pulled you by it.